Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything is positive. Okay, everything's been positive, everything's good. So let's go there and see what are our actions and everything. So what happened was I had a position here. Okay, basically I had a position here, but it gapped up, so I exited right here. So tomorrow what will be my action? So first let's go to daily time frame and see what is the market doing. Clear this off. So if you see, market has formed a double top here and then it broke down. So till this support is not breached on the upper side, I am not looking forward to buy. Okay, because this bullish momentum, the reason behind this is US Treasury. Okay, so if you guys know, there is one thing called as US Treasury. So that has been having some kind of because of the news. That is the reason behind this. So I don't want to get into any details there because it might impact our market or not. Nobody was very much sure because our market was totally negative. Yeah, so now this is my resistance here. Okay, this is my resistance. This also is a small resistance. This is also a resistance in a smaller time frame. Okay, this is also a resistance in a smaller time frame. Market is exactly there now. Market is exactly there. So what am I going to do? So I'll be waiting at least for 1 or 2 days. I'll be waiting and seeing how the market is reacting and everything. Only then I'll be taking forward any trades. Okay, so I won't be trading anything aggressively. But if the market goes anywhere above 19,260, I'll be looking forward for a buy. Okay, and I'll be holding it for a long time. Sell will be again the same level. That is, this is the level for sell. If it comes anywhere below 18,820 or 30, I'll be selling it. Here will I sell it? No, I don't think so, because the market recovered very rapidly here. It already took my SL, so I'm not looking forward to buy anything here. So my level for Nifty will be 19,240. I don't care how much of points I'm missing. I don't have a problem because I always wait for my setup. So this is for Nifty. Let's check Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty's level and everything. It has already breached above. So let me analyze this once. So if we see this, this is a support. Yeah, this is a support. This was the last support. Okay, last support was this. There was a huge gap, but what happened? Market recovered a lot. It directly gap up, and I was expecting it to go down more on, but it immediately gapped up. So it's totally fine. So what is my action next is I'm not going to trade at least for 2 to 3 days till the market has decided its momentum, guys, like which direction. Let the market decide its direction, only then I'll be looking forward. But I have good levels in US oil. So in US oil, if you see, this is on a daily time frame. If you see, market came down, there is a pullback. Now again it's trying to come down, and it's taking a pause here. Okay, it's taking a good pause here. So I'll go to 1 hour time frame. So there is some liquidity here. There's some liquidity here. Market may go up till there also. So what I'll be doing is, this is my level to short, and this is my level to short. These are the two places I'm looking forward to short. Because if you see in the daily time frame, market is negative. Okay, market is negative, pullback, then again it's come back to the same place. Only if it crosses above anywhere above $18.60, if it crosses and it survives, still there are a lot of resistance here. So I will not look forward to buying. I'll be looking forward only for selling. Alright, so this is about US oil. So that's it, guys. I'm sorry I'm unable to upload videos frequently because I'm kind of traveling and busy with other businesses. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. It will be really helpful for me to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.